Is this the clean install? Yeah, this one's the clean install here, yeah. It would help if I used the right mouse. Oh, hang on. Right, let's get this sorted. Got some lights going up already. Right, so we're going to go click on there, click on that. Go to the dock. Then we're going to go show app launcher. We're going to make it the logo. We're going to send it to the start. We're going to make it blue, which is the primary color. What's the new package count? Funny you should ask. Let me just fix this. Settings, bar, widgets. We don't want the launcher. Remove. I don't know why I'm doing this, because I'm going to just drag my config over. Anyway, so we'll pop you over there. I think that's it. And then we just need to add to the left wallpaper selector. There we go. So 1954. So we're currently on 1954, but we're going to do some fixing on that. We've only got 17 Flatpaks this time, whereas before we had, what did we have before? 50? Yeah, so we've still got like multiple runtime environments. Is that what they're called? So I've actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've only really got 5. Under 10 gigs? Oh, yeah. We might actually make that even better. So we go sudo dnf copr enable Linux. Oh, Linux gamer life / what did I call it? LGL DNF helper. And then we go sudo dnf install gl dnf helper. Yeah, it is probably that, to be honest, because of the various versions. I might look to do something about that. I don't know yet. Oh, hang on. Excellent. Excellent. Right. Bear with me for a second. Right. I missed any chat? Nope. Good. Hi chat. Have you seen that yet? That's more packages, Emmy. I don't want to put more on. Yeah, install these packages to like reduce the number of packages you got. Right. So what we're going to do? We're going to go to here. LGL. Still got the old icon. Right. Actually, no. What we'll do is we'll do this. But it's a great tool. I'm sure it is, Emmy. DNF list. There's lots of great packages. Oh, hang on. Upgraded? What's upgraded? Upgrade. Refresh. Oh. Oh, sorry, yeah. Oh my god, sudo DNF upgrade refresh. There we go. Right. Ooh. Hey Rena, how you doing? Welcome back. Have you ever tried Void Linux? It just so happens I have. Where am I? I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. And then we're going to go to my channel. View your channel. And we're going to go to my playlists. And then we've got I have this. Which one was it? Hardcore Final Boss. I think it was that one. Bum 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 bum. Thanks, dude. Appreciate you.
Be careful not to break this fresh install. Cheers.
Void. This was, when was this? This was 7 months ago I tried Void. Don't go and watch it now though. What else we got? Hi chat. Hi. It's great. I'm a Fedora noob. Welcome noob. Repo cache. I got it. I'm just the multiple mouses, the multiple mices do my head in. How is everyone doing anyway? Oh, hang on, I've got something to show you guys. Where's the music gone? Right, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? How am I going to do this? I have to do this first. Are you ready?
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も各種登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
I thought it was cool. Broken already? No, of course it's not broken already. What you talking about? Did it reboot then? No, it was not. Well, the voice was a little bit. I knew people would ask that, so let me just go up to here and then go to there. There you go.
ぜひご相談くだ
Oh, that's loud. It's loud. That's loud.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も隠し登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
Bit clicky because it's across the network. I've got so much going on at the minute. But if an AI version would have worked, then I would have used that. So there's nothing to be proud of, dude. If you're not a fan of AI, then this is not the channel for you. Where am I going? Right, I need to go back to this one. There we go. Oh, music. We need the music back on. And then I can just do that. Right, okay, so where were we? It's just really confusing with all these mices. Well, it's only two, but... why did it all go? Did we finish the update or what? Nothing to do. Okay, that happened. That all happened. Oh, so nothing wrong with AI. More so against AI art. Partner is a digital artist. Got to fight the good fight. I mean, your partner needs to embrace AI and use it as a tool to help, right? To show the difference between what AI can do and what a real person can do, because that's where the value add is. If I would much prefer go to an artist to get any of my art done. But the problem that artists are going to have right now, Yuki, is that when it comes to AI art, it's like Google Maps. It's just enough. Right? In a lot of cases, AI art is just enough. And that's the problem that artists are going to have to face and they're going to have to deal with. And if they don't, they're going to get left behind. They need to show where their value is and what the value is they're bringing to it. So yeah, hey Warlock, welcome on in. Good to see you. So yes, I will use AI art. But if I can afford not to, then yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Artists would take longer to make and probably cost more. Absolutely. Okay, cool, dude. No, absolutely. Appreciate you. I just want to make it clear where I stand on it, you know? Because I don't want people being here thinking one thing and it being another. So I'd like to be really open about it. Yeah, you said in the Discord, dude. DexMex, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Right, okay, so now we've got the... Oh, hang on, wait, what do I need to do? Oh, no, it's repo query, isn't it? Repo QUE. There we go. Right. Okay. So this is all the stuff. Oh my! I keep grabbing the wrong freaking mouse. Right. So image magic. Where does that come from? So image magic. So this is my new tool. Basically, it allows you to copy in a package and it tells you everything about the package. An X application for displaying and manipulating images. Well, where did that come from? I didn't install that. It's an image display and manipulation tool for X Windows system. What? Well, what would have brought that in, do you think? Required by... why Google takes so long to change DP? I don't know what DP is, dude. Ramses, hello. Welcome. Hey, hello, Lee J. Yes, this is Fedora. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Right, that's right. Just wanted to be able to see what you guys can see. Cool, cool. Right, everything's good. Everything's hunky-dory. Oh, do you know what I've not done? I've not brought up the chat thing yet. This is awkward now because I wanted to bring it up, but I can't because I'm using my capture card. But if I do, hang on, wait, if I do that and do that, does that change for you guys? I don't think it does, does it? No, okay. Right, where were we? I need to make sure I'm on the right keyboard. Okay, so what files we got? Zezio, yes, I am. Yeah, this is my second PC. So I've got my my 850X, 1 terabyte, in my second PC right now. So I'm just going through and setting it up. History. Got no idea what brought this in. F what? Oh, buffering, is it? I've been having a little bit of trouble with buffering. Seems to be right though. No? Oh, it's buffering for me as well. Are we good? A lot of things depend on image magic. Okay, so does that mean my tool's wrong? It's not required. This is not required by anything. All right. Okay. Well, I'm going to take your word for it. Network manager, theme, audit, auth select, bash, bat, brightness, btop, btrfs, progs, crony. What the hell is crony? So crony is a versatile implementation of the network time protocol. Okay, we'll leave that one. Clipist, yeah, we know that one. Core utils, curl, distro box, DNF5, DOS F tools, cut, EF2, yeah, that's fine. EF, yeah, that's fine. Fine. Firefox, fine. Firewall D, Flatpak, Git, gnome keyring, gnome menus, go relay, grub. GStreamer. Sorry, somebody. What are you trying to? Hey, Velocity, welcome on in. Good to see you. So this is my new build, and I am just messing around with trying to find if there's anything I can get rid of, because we're already up to just under 10 gig. With how many packages does it have again? 1,967. Polkit agent, I'm using the Noctalia one. Or debloating a new install, that's the problem. IP root, hostname, kernel. My tools are there. Light DM. Lutris. Oh wait, what? Have we got Lutris installed twice? We have. Oh, hang on. Hang on a second. Oh man, if I install Discover, which I really want to do. So I'm just checking them. Is it public? So is what public? Oh, I love that tool. Oh, yes it is. Yeah. It's over on my GitHub, dude. Hey Shane, sorry I didn't say hi. Welcome on in, dude. Good to see you. Jack's in the house. Hello. Johnny says, greetings from Greece. Hello. Welcome on in, Johnny the Greek. Johnny Greek, brother. Added the. Missed the trick there, dude. Hey Finley, how you doing? Welcome on in. Oh, hang on. I've got to fix the bot. The bot's lying. Because we're not playing a game. Let's fix that right now. Bot Rix. Chat, but where's timers? Is it Botrix? Yeah, it is Botrix. Where's the timers then? Chatbot. Timers. There we go. We got it. We can we just disable it? How do you disable it? I don't want to delete it. I just want to disable it. Well, that's a bit rubbish. Oh, wait, hang on. That might do it. Confirm. There we go. Have you used Top Grade for updates? No, I use my own app for that. Right, okay, where was I? I use Swaylock, but I rarely have it on idle. Right, so we've got N curses, we've got Mango Hard, that's fine. Oh, Lutris, I was looking at Lutris, wasn't I? Ah, see, now I'm a little bit conflicted. a little bit conflicted here. Why not DNF Dragora? Because I've got my own app. So, yeah. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, nah. It looks shit. Well, what was I doing? Sudo DNF install. Plasma discovery. Plasma discover. Set. Oh, I don't like Alacrity. Set opt equals install weak depths equals false, right? Does it have to be a capital? $28, that's not so bad. Kitty, did I install Kitty? I don't think I've installed Kitty yet either. And then, so same again, but this time we're going to do Kitty. Excellent. Okay. Oh, we got. Oh no, yeah, it's because I did. Oh damn it! I know why. It's because I. It says it's weak dependencies, but it actually needs them. Yeah, that's what it was. 48 packages, yay! Right, so try again. Let's just do a quick. Okay, good. Discover. Right, okay, so installed. Just wanted to check with Lutris. Okay, so we've got the well, that's surprising because I didn't realise I'd installed the actual DNF version. I thought I had the Flatpak version. Alright, okay. Okay, we can do that. So that's easy. We're just going to do that. System loadout. Click on next. Update now. Okay. You do use Ezo. Right, I won't miss anything. Yeah, what it does. Yeah, I mean, it's good to, it's fine to do that velocity, but sometimes things won't work because it doesn't install the back ends because it doesn't think it needs it. Like it just did with the Discover. There was stuff on the weak dependencies that are actually needed in order to run things like the Flatpak stuff. Digital, what does it install? Weak deps do? Oh yeah, just it doesn't install the weaker dependencies. Since I started preferring Flatpaks. For me, it's the future of packages. I don't know if it is. I think it's a good addition to, and I think there is good use cases for Flatpaks. I use Flatpaks normally for things like email clients, Discord, browser sessions, just for that extra level of sandboxing. But yeah, I did have reduced it from 50 down to 17 though. Right, what was I doing? Let's go back to here. Right, so Lutris we were looking at. MangoHard, that's fine. Ncurses, Niri, Noctalia, NVMe, OBS Studio, that's fine. Pipex, that's fine. Root files, that's fine. RPM, SCX Manager. Do I need that? I don't know that I need that, you know. Let's have a look. I think that's been brought in by the cache COPR, right? Where's that come from? Oh, hang on. I better select it first. Yeah, so I don't need that then. Oh, let's get rid of that. Hang on, let me just make this a bit smaller. So sudo dnf remove SCX Manager. Yes. Cool. Okay. So then what? We just want to check to make sure that my app still works. SCX control. Let's do BPF land. Start. Authenticate. Add a status. Yay, so that still works. It doesn't actually need the cache kernel add-ons either, so I might have to refresh that. Anywho. There was a Firefox not up to date today. Man pushes these on a Sunday. I know, right? You don't need it. AUI usually has what I need if it's not in the official repos. Yeah, I'm not a fan of AUR, to be honest. Web browsers as a Flatpak, not safe. It's more safe than web browsers not as a Flatpak, dude. What the fuck's wrong with you? You don't need SCX Manager, just use your tool. Oh, there you go, Felicity, thank you. Yes, the app is available on FlatHub. Oh, nice. Flatpaks are safer than native because the containerization, you must have not understood the way Flatpaks work. If I remember correctly, I did try Fedora. Yeah, that's fair enough. Hey, Topsy, welcome on in. Good to see you. Looking at you use Niri really shows that you have ran KDE for a long time. Yeah, that's what I say in the video, dude, isn't it? It's like I am very mouse dependent still, but it actually works quite well for me. So, in fact, what I could do is I could just do. I haven't set up my keybind yet, but I don't use Chromium. So, hey, little one, welcome on in. Okay, so we're back to the list now. Shim, SSSD, Steam. Do we need Steam? I think we need Steam, don't we? Terra, Timeshift, Util. XRDP. So I think we're good. I think we're good. Where are we at now though? Because I did add more, didn't I? I took off one. I think I removed one package. Oh no, 2018. Steam bad, Epic Games banned, Zezio banned, Insta ban. How can you say that about Steam? Whoops. Right, so what are the Flatpaks I've got then? So we go into here. Oh, hang on. Wrong mouse again. So it's Flatpak list app. They're fine. I've got Firefox native at the moment. Sudo DNF remove Firefox. And then we'll go Firefox. Oh, it's there, look. That's not bad. Oh, you have already updated. Yes. Oh, sorry. Hey, Lord Gaming. Welcome on in. Good to see you. No, I haven't already up. No, this is on my second PC. Why do you have Proton Plus and Proton Up? Do you know what? That's not a bad shout. Yeah. I can't remember why. There was a reason, but I think Proton Plus is fine. Cancel. I'm at 1,387 packages at the moment. Nice. So let's get rid of nice Prath. Probably doesn't do anything, Yuki. Probably just sits there browsing all day. Yeah, 137. Hang on a second. No, I don't believe that for a second. 1,387 4 KDE. If it's on Terra, it's not native, dude. I have 1K packages only in dev depths. Yeah, I'm going to put all those into DistroBox. Let's make sure that works. Okay, so we're cool. Right. So if we now go back to here. Right, okay. And then we do fast fetch. Right, we're at 2004 now. Which is really interesting, right? Because everyone's saying, oh, I've only got this many packages, but actually it's the size of the install that matters. So what, I'm under 3. Oh, no, that's memory. Wait, hang on. I'm at 15 gig for my install right now. It's the bloat thing, isn't it? It's just the bloat thing. Trying to put them in nicks. It's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Right. So that there doesn't list. They're the user installed ones, aren't they? Ah, okay. I just want to list all the oh, installed, right, okay, yes. Oh, hang on, wrong keyboard. Right, this is probably a little bit more to go through, isn't it? We can already see where a lot of them are coming from. Lots of libraries. Do you know what? Is it less or more? More. Okay. Exactly, Agile is right. My Fedora has 2,400 packages, still smaller than my Arch install. Adobe mappings? What the hell is that? So look, shall we? Okay. My bloat is Japanese font. I haven't even started with the fonts yet. Because you can make the RPMs yourself, dude. So 100% not native. It's nothing. All of my apps. That's like saying my apps are native because it's on the COPR. No. What's wrong with you? Oh, I'm EP Grid. Nini, everyone. I'm sleepy. Good night, everyone. Do you not speak Jack? I speak fluent Jack, right? That's I'm sleepy. Good night, everyone. There you go. No night, Jack. You take care. I can drop a lot if I stop running VMs. Hey, Digital Hunger, TM, welcome on in. Didn't see you sneak in there. Good to see you. Right, I'm guessing I need this for something, right? It's LBGS. Let's have a look. LBGS. This library provides ghostscript's core functionality based on ghostscript's API, which is useful for many packages that are built on top of ghostscript. It also has an X11 based driver for ghostscript, which enables displaying of various document files. Okay, so we need that. We kind of need that, don't we? Okay. All right. Okay. So that's saying that that needs these. And if I remove that, then I'm kind of going to be screwed, aren't I? Okay. That's fine. All right. Adobe, you can stay. There's lots of stuff in here I don't recognize. Audit or select. What's AVAHI? What's AVHAI? It's a system which facilitates service discovery on a local network. Okay. Yeah, we're going to kind of need that. No, it's not native, dude. Well, define what you mean by native then. If you don't know what it is, it's important. That's why I'm checking, dude. For me, native means it's built and maintained by the distro. And COPR, Terra, it's definitely not that. If you're thinking native means I can install it using DNF, then we're in very different places. Bluetooth icon theme. I might get rid of that actually. Not now though. What's Cairo? Cairo's 2D graphics library, okay. Okay, thank you. Capstone. I mean, if nothing else, I'm learning about these packages. Disassembly framework with the target becoming ultimate disassembly engine for binary. No idea. Keeping that one. Cirrus Audio, CJ, C. I don't really need CMake on my main system, do I? I understand native as something that is compiled, built for the system you are running. Doesn't really matter by who. So my apps then would be considered native. I mean, I'm happy to be educated. Oh my god, what happened then? So are we saying that my apps are considered native then? Huh. Okay. I stand corrected. I've got native apps. Let's go. Right, where was I? So Carver CD Paranoia. What the hell is CD Paranoia? How do you spell paranoia? My brain's not working. Paranoia. I was spelling it right. Para. O-I-A. Oh wow. Native means no runtime. Oh, okay. Native is native binary that compiled to machine code. Oh my god. Yes, like X is native on Windows. But you could also compile XE for Linux machines. Down there on the left. Fedora 44 noob here. I'm only 20 days in. Welcome on in JTech. Great to see you. If I've missed any member fireworks, let me know. I've just been schooled myself, dude. Now, come on. Do I need to have CMake installed in my main install? Bearing in mind that all of the dev stuff is going to be going into dev. Do I need CMake for anything that's on Terra? Why though? It's about learning, not just being told. Come on, dude. CMake. Oh, that's SMake. Oh, it's not installed anyway. Wait, what? Oh, these are different. These aren't. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay. This package owns all directories used by CMake modules. Hey Kim, welcome on in. Good to see you. I can't get SDDM to launch after I installed my Nvidia drivers. I tried the device X11 thing in the conf file. I checked my drivers. Both my GPU is installed and external GPU is installed. I use Fedora, MangoWM, and Noctalia. Let me get a link for you to go and post install. Go follow this. Kim, go follow this. Go to the Nvidia section and follow that bit by bit. Prath, it says it's great to have for theming. What is? CPP is another one, I think, isn't it? Crony. What's Crony? Oh, cups. I don't need cups, do I? Isn't that to do with printers? Cups file system. Cups file system. Cups file system. Printing system. Three hours is enough with this woman. Wait, what? What did I miss? What did I miss? Oh, No worries, Kim. Good luck. Let us know. Cups is printer. Yeah. I haven't got actual... I think I removed Cups. Are you sure? Did you wait for it to compile? Because doesn't it compile the... People didn't have priorities back... people had priorities back then. I know, right? So everything Cups is printer related, right? CMake good, yeah, but why though? CMake is good for compiling stuff. Are you saying that CMake is good for compiling stuff for theming? Not yet. Should we do it now? Velocity. GTK2, cache kernel dev, wine. I don't think I should be removing some of those, should I? Yeah, try not to troubleshoot on the chat, dude. Makes it really awkward. So Kim says, I see you use Niri. Can I ask why? I mean, like, why would you use that over Mango or Hyper? So I blame the Black Don. I was on a Discord call with the Black Don and he was showing me Niri and Noctalia, and I tried it on a VM and I really like it. So thanks, Zero. Yeah, wine does seem important, doesn't it? So I don't think I'm gonna do that. See, I need to get a Nvidia card so I can see what all the fuss is about. Right, okay, we're doing this. Right, cups. So what I'm going to do... Yeah, I've got to be careful with that auto remove because I'm a bit worried. Right, let's have a look. Wine Pulse Audio. This app's really cool, even if I do say so myself. Yeah, so I can't remove any of those. Hey, the next gen gamer, welcome on in. Also, yeah, it is. But this is for wine. Does it say, if I go to impact, but the thing is though, Velocity, help me out here. So it's saying here that Wine Ulcer is required by Wine Pulse Audio, and Wine Pulse Audio is required by Lutris and wine. Hey, Chu, how you doing? Welcome on in. By Digital Hunger, I do have wine and Lutris installed. So for now, I am going to do what Emmy says there. Sudo dnf mark install wine libs. Mark? Got that wrong. Oh, then don't remove them. Just what I did, just follow you, innit? Why Lutris? Move something modern. Fuck, dude. Right, okay. Did I type that wrong? Oh, you... Oh. No match for argument wine libs. System control, SDDM status said, active failed, result start, limit hit. Gonna check that later. Okay, so that wine is already installed. Can you do that? There's 39 packages associated with wine. So what do you think would happen if I just removed wine altogether then? It would break Lutris, wouldn't it? But then again, I don't use wine. Will it break Proton? It'll break Proton, won't it? Of course it will. Right, okay, so let's just do that again. No, it won't. What? Sorry. Right, so just these ones left now. That's not helpful, Brath. Go read the manual. Oh, go to the Discord. Oh, I suppose that could be helpful. Proton is separate from wine, but if Lutris requires wine for the prefixes and stuff, you can't really do anything about that. So I don't know if it does, so I'm going to keep it for now. Is there a way to find out which ones? Oh no, it would be on... is there some kind of flag to show that... how to list packages that have been marked installed by user DNF Fedora. Can you DNF info wine dash star? Okay, you can do that then, but it doesn't say that I've marked it as. So green means they're installed, and that means they're not, right? Is that how that works? Yeah, this doesn't tell me if it's something that I've marked as user installed, right? Well, in fact, they're all marked as user installed now. So that's not quite what I was looking for. Maybe there's not a way. Right, I'll be right back.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も隠し登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
I don't think it is history user install because they're all going to show. I only want the ones that I've marked. You know what I mean? But let me do a... there we go. Oh, I need to add a thing here, don't I? Oh, here you go. So it tells me in my app, but I'd have to go through and find them all. DNF repo query. Repo query. It'll be -- user installed. Query format. You get that off the internet. Sent name. Well, no, that's just going to give me a list of. That's not it. No, that's not it. Right, I'm not listening to you anymore. Right, okay, where was I? DNF history. It's not that. It's going to be DNF history user installed, isn't that? No. No, didn't think it was that. Did I install TLDR? Oh my god. Yeah, but it's not going to tell me what I need. Terminal not wide enough. No, I'm quite happy with Lutris, to be honest, dude. Appreciate the recommendation, though. So the question is then, is there a flag? Oh, hang on. What if I go DNF? Hang on, wait, DNF history. That's not going to do anything, is it? Without an extra flag, right? History. Right, okay. DNF. What if we do DNF? No, because if we do DNF list user installed, it's just going to give me the other list. Google telling me to do this. No, so all it's doing is it's adding it to the list of user installed things. That's all the mark does, isn't it? Am I reading that right? Oh, hey, what? That didn't work. Hey, Jandy. Hey, welcome on in. Good to see you. I've only used Noctalia so far, so... Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. There we go. And if we do So yeah, I recognise all those. Yeah, so all it's done is it's just adding it to the list that already exists, right? Well, that's quite useful though. Let's just put that into installed underscore reason. Yeah, let me move this across here for you because I just realised that it's being covered up. What the hell is that? Oh, that's discover. Put it over here. Install reason.text. There we go. Have we got kwrite installed? I bet we haven't even got kwrite installed yet, have we? Damn it. Oh, this is going to add more, isn't it? But I can't live without kwrite right now. Or maybe we'll just go with Kate this time. Without if I did the command right, wouldn't it? Random sandwich for scale, right? My God, it's another 20 packages. I do want the plugins though. See, this is the thing, right? I need the plugin. I don't know that I don't think I need the KRunner plugin though, because we're not running KRunner, are we? I definitely need the plugins. Why do people do that? Can somebody, I mean, use this instead of this? No, fuck off. I like the tools that I like. Does my name. Oh. If you just said, oh, have you tried VS Codium? I might have said, yeah, and I fucking hate it. Oh, actually, I could just use, I use Z actually. No, I like kwrite. So, I've got, did I install Z? Yeah, I do want the plugins, don't I? Did I install Z? Z is another Flatpak I need actually. Oh, damn it. So we've got another Flatpak I need to install. Maybe I'll just use Z from now on instead of kwrite. I don't know if I could do that though. No, I'm going to carry on using Z. I'm going to carry on using is it in the Terra repo? DNF search Z. Is it capital Z? Kid, you reminded me to install Z. So it's 1.17, 1.01. That's a good spot. More packages. Two. I think we can live with two. I use Kate on KDE and VS Codium on Z on Niri Hyprland. That is good. Is a good editor. I like it as well. But it's the if I go Z. Word perfect. So I haven't even set up a keyring yet. I've got to sign into all of these again, haven't I? How did you know, Emmy? You got a keylogger on my second machine or something? I don't know what any of those means. Ah, right, yeah, of course. We want dark anyway. That's the one I normally use. Yeah, see, it's got new file or open project. How do you open a file? Lazy doing 123 as a password. Let's try the Noctalia theme, see how that works. Yeah, it's not following it, is it? Oh. I haven't installed Dolphin yet. Oh, Dolphin's got to bring in so much. Oh my god. I can't live without Dolphin though. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Need to change the theme in Z first. Oh, of course. Change it to Noctalia, right? Oh, that's quite cool. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I love Dolphin too much, dude. Right, okay. So then if I go into Dolphin, I think I'm fighting a losing battle, aren't I? Because of my tastes. I don't need to worry about configs because I can get configs from... Oh, okay. Did I install Kate in the end? I did, didn't I? We debloated something. We debloated something. Six packages. There's more than that. How do I include the deps? How to remove... Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, you make a good point there. Yeah, the font's not great. I'm going to change it. Using the wrong mouse again. Do I do it? I don't. No, I do it console, don't I? Oh wait. Oh man. Did we install Kitty? We did. Can you run Kitty inside Dolphin? A Dolphin. Status view. I don't know Fedora commands. Fire font. Previews, confirmation, panel status, locus bars. I don't think you can set it, can you? Details. So hang on a minute. Discard. That's not Dolphin, so that must be Alacrity. So what happens if we go sudo dnf remove Alacrity? So that's, what is that then? What's that it's using? If I could get Kitty to run in here, then I wouldn't need to store. It can't be Konsole. Konsole's not installed. Hey, a pining dude, welcome on in. Konsole's not even installed. That's confusing him. Oh, wait, hang on. Huh. Konsole is not installed. KDE is not installed. Where are all these icons gone? Oh, remove. Where's Kitty gone? How many times do I have to say Konsole is not installed? It's the bundled console that is embedded in Dolphin. So how do I use the got ya. Okay. That makes more sense. So if I can get Kitty running in Dolphin, then bye Konsole. It's like we aren't speaking English. Clarity. I need clarity, dude. Right. What's that random thing you posted there? Terminal application equals your terminal app. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. That bit I understand. Dolphin. Oops. Control F. Terminal. It's not in there. In general, terminal application equals kitty dot desktop. Is that what we're saying? So we check that first. Where is it? Where is it? It's Etsy user apps share. Just Kitty then, is it? Oh, okay, got ya. Terminal service equals Kitty. Is it capital K though? Are you sure? Dot local user share. Are you sure? CD. I didn't think so. Oh, do you know what I can do? Do you know what I can do? I can use my app. Screw all of you. You're getting me to type stuff that doesn't exist. Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Tell me where your desktop icon is. Please. Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot of files for Kitty. User bin. I need a search in here, don't I? User share applications. Right, okay. Brilliant. Okay, so let's go back to here. So it's a lowercase. Okay, cool, cool. We'll close that, we'll close that, we'll close that, and then we'll close that. We need to fix the what this opens it up with. So my app rules. I need to change the icon though. That's still not Kitty though, is it? Oh, well done, Ertu. So F4. Might need to relog. That's a good point, actually. Oops. AI and Google both say you can't change the embedded terminal. Oh, that'd be annoying. I guess it'll have to be Konsole then. It'll open Kitty, but not inside Dolphin. That's the whole point. So I think you're missing it. So we need the launcher. Because what I've done is go to the bar, widgets, and then we're going to add the launcher for only for a second though, because I forgot to do something. I'm going to open Dolphin, and then we're going to go into settings, dock, exclusive. Why did the dock disappear? Why is the dock disappearing? I said not Konsole. I said Konsole is not installed. What am I missing with the dock? Floating? Bottom? Oh, of course. Thanks, dudes. What an idiot. Oh, sleepy. Right, dock. No, we don't dock. We want to go to bar, widgets, remove a widget. There we go. That's better. Right, we're going to have to... Yeah, I know, right? You keep... Good spot. Right, okay, we're going to have to install... We're going to have to install Konsole then. Pin. And then we're going to go... we got rid of one of them. We got rid of Alacrity. That's not too bad. I can live with that. There we go. Right, okay. So we do need to change the thing on Konsole. That's where we do that. So if we go into Konsole now, and then go into here. Do that. And we're going to go edit, appearance, blue on black, edit, that's all fine. I'm going to choose what would you choose that for now? Wait, what? Yeah, I do like Konsole. Good thing about KDE stuff is if you install one app, you already have the depths of most of them. Zero Linux, so this PC is for testing. No, this is my new build, dude. Why is that not giving my new... Oh, hang on. Set as default. There we go. Thanks, dude. Right, so now if we open up that, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's more like it. And I can just bring in my config. Yeah, I can't. The Shift F4 thing is great, although it's not working now. But it needs to be here. This is how I've worked for the last year. I think the stream might be a bit behind. Yeah, I've been working like this for the last year, and I don't want to change, but I do like Kitty. So, and interestingly, on my shortcut, I would have Kitty. So let's fast fetch this. $2,041, 23 Flatpak. What the fuck? Where's all those Flatpaks come from? Is that right? What is it? I thought it was apps. Oh, it's just app. That's not very logical, is it? So I missed some videos. Are you all in on Niri now? No more KDE? Pretty much. Let me release myself from here for a minute. Well, just give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to do that. Actually, wait, hang on. Do that first. Let me just bring up, what should we do? Which one should we do? We'll do that one for now. And then we'll just do that. So this is my actual main PC right now. And I'm just going to press that button for a sec.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も各種登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
Yeah, Smitty got me this this wonderful bonsai tree. Yeah, so at the moment on this build here, if I go to let's just do that. So this one's still the KDE Plasma edition. So I do have KDE Plasma installed on my main install. But this one is my new NVMe that I will be installing into this PC. And as you can see on here, we've got 3,800 RPMs and 48 Flatpaks and 2 Flatpak users. So there's a lot of stuff that I need to sort through. So I'm trying to build the base over on this one, which is that one. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, we're getting there though. So that's that one done. Hang on, I need to change it to this, don't I? So where was I? Well, okay, so what, when I open up a config, it opens up in, is that the right mouse? What's going on? Why is my mouse not working? Oh, it's the wrong mouse. You will hit 3K packages before you know it. Just waiting for you to see it. Why do you think that? Why do you think that though? Putting all my development stuff in a distro box. I just need to work out how to make distro box one from there. But what makes you think that? You're probably right, but I'm just trying to think what makes you think that? You know? Right, okay, so I'm not going to worry about that. But what makes you think that? Hey, Mr. Scout. How you doing? Welcome in. Because most of the deps that I've got on my current system are related to KDE, Plasma Edition, and all of the development stuff that I've got installed. I'm pretty sure that equates to probably 1,000. So let's have a look, shall we? So if I do that and then go, I need to swap back to my keyboard and mouse. How should we do this? Let's go to, we're going to have a look. What I can do now though is if I go like that, bring that over to here, and then go CD projects LGLYT PYTHON dash app.py. Oh man, I got a reauthor. Okay, no worries. So let's release this from tiling hell. Then we can just put it down here. I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Written some custom patches for my NixOS install. It's nice and healthy. Got some custom patches for game mode to play nice with GDM, as GDM works better with capture card. Nice. I do need to get rid of that freaking thing though, don't I? I haven't installed anything on this one. Right, okay, so what we're going to do is, did I install fast fetch yet? Oh, hang on. I just remembered I can't use the... Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, well. Lol, Gnome is the easy life unless extension isn't working for you. So we're at 966 with the basic build. So sudo DNF group install KDE desktop. Yes. Oh, I just said 733 packages. SDDM has weird scaling issues with capture card. I tried everything I could. GDM wins that every time. Got some custom patches for Decky Loader as well. Nice. And that was KDE desktop. So that's 733 packages I'm not going to have. Well, no, I'm not going to install KDE. So, you know what I mean? So on this one, it's not going to have KDE. Wait, what? So at 2041, if I installed KDE, then yes, we would be getting very close. So this is in the VM right now. So to be honest, I think I could have probably just... Here's the funny thing, right? I could have just uninstalled KDE desktop and then upgraded to Fedora 44 and then manually gone through everything and removed it all. Huh. But I do want to use my SN850X as my main NVMe. With KDE, it has got a tiling window system built in. I tried it once. Tiling isn't for me though. I like my traditional... yeah, that's fair enough, Scale. I actually used to use K-zones. And I really loved K-zones. And I thought I would never live without K-zones. Because I'm a mouse monkey. But turns out I'm doing all right. Right, so then I can't close that. I've got to use mouse on this because I'm using VM Curator. The only way I can get the keyboard and mouse to work inside the VM is by using the pass-through, and then I can't use the keyboard and mouse on my host. So it only works in the guest. So we are going to go where is it? LGL system loadout. Oh, my eyes! My eyes! Don't do that to me. QT. And then we'll just quickly do Qt6. Good thing is you only have to do this once. Right, let's try that again. That's better. I used to use AV Linux for music production, but now based on MX Linux distro hop like a kangaroo first. Eventually then Ubuntu Studio, and then built my own with Ubuntu based. Nice. What screen am I on? Let me just open up another browser. Go Fedora. There's a distro I want to try out actually. Miscellaneous downloads, is it in that one? Nope, it's get Fedora. Get Fedora spins. Labs. I thought there was one for music. I honestly thought there was one specifically for music. Astronomy Design Suite. Games. Oh, Jam, there it is. Yeah, I want to try this one. Ardor, Q-Tractor, Hydrogen, Yoshimi, Musicore, Tux Guitar, Guitarix, Super Looper, Calf. I'm going to try that at some point. I used Unity Desktop for like 15 years and a bit of GNOME until I switched to Plasma a couple of years ago. Nice. Yeah, this is definitely one I want to try, just so I can say I tried it. Right, update now. We better do that, haven't we? Oh, before we do that. Oh no, that's fine, because I use Fed Niri Noc, so we should be good for the DNF settings. Oh, I just tried to put it in the center again, didn't I? Right, let's go back to this one for a minute whilst that one's installing. Zaya, hello. Welcome on in, good to see you. I need to change keyboard and mouse because otherwise I'll be shutting stuff down. Right, so we're getting there. What else do I need to do on this one? You got OBS, right? Yeah, so we're going to pin that one. So it's going to be mainly config based stuff now. I'll send you a custom NixOS has a music production flake. That'll do everything. I don't need to, dude. I appreciate the offer, but as I say, I spent far too much money on Ableton Live to even consider messing about with it anywhere else. Yeah, so I'm a big. Oh, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Can you? Wait. There you go. So this is on my Mac. Why is Photoshop still open? So I do everything on my job done now and install OpenSUSE. Smitty in the house, let's go. I didn't realise you were live. I actually just left a comment on your latest video. Oh, in that case, what we're going to do is... let me go to music. Where is it? It's there. You ready?
In the comments section with LGL.
So have a look, shall we? Happy Mother's Day. Let's see. Neon Corn, welcome on in. Oh, we've got a few comments here now. Let's have a look. And Neon Corn, I don't see it. Oh no, sorry. Oh, hang on, no, Zaya. Okay. Zaya. Where are you? Zaya. Oh, there you go. Oh, I'm not reading that out. It's like a freaking Reddit post. First of all, English is my first language, so please don't misunderstand me, only talking from my own experience. I got tired of CachyOS and a bunch of other distros too. Are they insanely good? Yeah, absolutely. But I ended up going with Fedora 44. I just prefer fewer updates and full stability, to be honest. At some point, getting updates every 5 seconds started reminding me of Windows. You don't get updates every 5 seconds on Windows. What are you on about? I know on Linux it's usually better for performance or giving you the newest stuff as soon as possible, and that's cool. But personally, I'd rather stick to super stable distros that are amazing for gaming too, like Bazzite, for example. But for me, Fedora 44 is just install it and stop worrying about everything else. Well, the thing is Fedora is kind of an in-between one. So it's not, I wouldn't consider it like stable in terms of like Debian. And it's obviously not cutting edge. Is it bleeding edge like Arch? It's kind of in between. And you will get updates every week. I mean, I think the kernel gets updated pretty much every Wednesday or Thursday. So you are still going to get updates. But yeah, I mean, you just got to keep trying until you find the distro that works for you, you know? And sounds like you might have found the one for you. But you might use it after a couple of months and go, actually, I want something different now. So yeah, but no, go on. I did see another comment. You update Cashy once a week. Yeah, that's it. Right, okay, that was the right keyboard. So Neon Corn Jacker. I saw your video about Niri and just wanted to join and say hi. Currently transitioning full-on Void Linux. Nice. Where are you transitioning from, Neon? Mr. Cow, I have been using Bitwig Studio since version 1. I used Ableton though. I started on Cubase in the 90s. My uncle was signed to Polydor and his best mate run the WOMAD, so I grew up in the studio. Oh, nice. Very nice. So it's great. It's really great to hear that you're doing all of your audio stuff and on Linux. That's really, really cool. And if I hadn't invested so much in Ableton and various different plugins, then I might give it a try. And I have actually got where is it? Wrong mouse. Come here, mouse. There we go. No, wait. So much open. So I have got Bitwig and Studio here, look. Waitress didn't look very happy. Lol. Random. How's Smitty go anyway? How you doing, dude? Did I do your fireworks or didn't I? Arch slow roll. Thanks for reading it. You're really dedicated to your community and that's beautiful. Yeah, I really am. Put kernel 7 on Fedora yesterday. Don't notice much difference. I know, right? It's just, I think from what I read is Linus doesn't like the dot numbers to go too high. So that's all it is. Digging the wallpaper is pretty out there, isn't it? And it's not AI. It's some guy that does vector graphics. Neon Fedora was a Manjaro user from second year of college because I wanted to be more edgy than Ubuntu users, but I was wished to go fully Arch. After that, I used Mint, then Fedora, and its atomic variation. So you on Fedora 44? Actually, a good friend of mine uses Cubase, and that's it. I think he uses Cubase. Yeah. But he's on Windows. Smitty says, it's a good day, just finishing up on the Mother's Day holiday with my mum and getting ready to head home. Oh, nice. Say hi to your mum. Go and give your mum a big hug from LGL and the community. Do it. Go. Do it. Come back and tell me when it's done. Sorry. Nice. I do still have Cubase key dongle thing. I've got some old projects at some point from within Kimu when I get round to it. Yeah, do it. Do it, dude. That when I get round to it is so dangerous. I said that with my Optimed projects. I had like hundreds of Optimed projects that I said, what I'll do, I'm going to stick them on tape. I'm going to put them on tape because I know one day I'm not going to be able to use them. I still got the floppy somewhere. I think I've still got the floppies in the garage actually. But then obviously it's Amiga. I'm going to need a special floppy disk reader. Neon says, yeah, but lately I was testing with Void and wanted to see how it would feel. Was neck and neck with Arctics, but I think I will return to Fedora because of stability and rolling release balance. Not quite rolling release on Fedora, it's more of a regular release, isn't it? But I get what you mean. Oh, got people sending me messages left and right over here. Let me have a look. Right, hang on, let me just do that. It's a very important message. I keep clicking the wrong mouse. What the hell? Mrs. Scout says, I've still got Akai floppy drives on the shelf. Oh, nice. It's nice to see nice creative people getting into Linux. It's great, isn't it? Thanks, dude. Appreciate you. Message me in Discord, Velocity, if you're okay for me to read that out. Because it's I think JTech said something very similar. Right, where was I? Are we good for chat? Am I up to speed on chat? I think I am. Have I missed anything? Let me know if I've missed anything in chat. We've got Mr. Scam, we've got Neon, we've got Zaya. Anyone else? Anyone else? For anyone else? DJ Magic Mimer. That's a cool name. Welcome on in, dude. Good to see you. Hi. Remember, people never drink on Discord. I'm using Renoise on Linux for some simple beats. I'm pretty new to that stuff, but I've been liking Renoise. Oh, okay, cool. I don't like to bother, but I have questions. Thanks, Zero Linux. LGL is one of the most honest to God and down to earth Linux content creator you will ever meet. No hate, no bullshit. Just the way it is. Sharing. I mean, one thing that we've all got in common, I think, as Linux users, is we're all very opinionated. I'm quite happy with my opinions. So when people try to change them, it takes some time. I mean, I'm not saying that beyond change. I mean, look, I loved KDE. Now I'll probably never install it again. So opinions change. But yeah, I think you just got to be honest, right? Go on, Zaya. What you got? What you got? You got my attention. But whilst you've got my attention, we are going to. Well, hang on. I was doing that, wasn't I? I can't even remember what I was doing with this. Oh, nothing. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, Yuki! Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Go grab a coffee.
Grab a coffee.
I can't have one now. I'll be up all night if I have one now. But thank you so much. Appreciate that. Can I click on like this time? If wine is so important, why isn't there an option to install it in the Fedora from the software store? Because it's not available in the Fedora repositories. You have to get it from RPM Fusion. There's a few things you need to get from RPM Fusion, and I think Steam is one of them. What was I going to do on this one? Where's my mouse? It's over here. Here we go. No. I've got no idea what this sounds like, by the way. That's probably quite loud, is it? Where's the volume? How do I turn it down? Where's the mixer? Here. Oops. I'm having a black coffee, but I'm a reprobate. What? It's nearly 10 o'clock, dude. Is it real coffee, though? I only drink real coffee because I'm a coffee snob. This is Bitwig. Yeah, I like to dabble Morley Mall. Hello, Morley Mall. Yeah, this is I just said that. This is Bitwig. Musician and a Linux user. 11 p.m. T. I see. That's a horrible kick though. But I don't know how to... That's a really horrible kick. Why would I choose that? I quite like that though. Bitwig is what I'm going to have to switch to now. I'm fully on Linux. My door of choice is Ableton. Yep, I can't. I'm never going to get rid of Ableton, I'm afraid. This is my thing. I've not really done anything since I've moved it over to. I mean, I can have a little play with Ableton, but it's on Mac. It feels wrong. A working classmate comes out of the jar. Do you know what? I rarely drink coffee. I probably have one, maybe two a week. And I bought an actual proper coffee machine, and dude, it's so worth it. Don't like that. Oh, hang on.
My fellow music bro.
Sorry about that. Morley Mall, thank you so much, dude. Really appreciate that. You didn't have to. Sorry, that was my son. So my son went away for the weekend, and he's just come back, and he's at the train station right now, and he's just called me to say, Dad, the train's not going to be here for half an hour. All right. He says, and I got a choice. I can either wait for the train or go and get the bus, but the bus is also going to be half an hour. So he was sort of anchoring for me to go and pick him up. And I said, I'm streaming, dude. You're going to have to wait. More, appreciate it. Really, really do. You have to share some of your music in the old Discord. I quite like that motif. Right, let me catch up with chat. Bitwig session. I came back to perfect time. It seems, lol. Espresso maker pays for itself after a year. Absolutely. Based on your strong accent, you must be more tea. Yeah, I do drink tea every day. Coffee normally once or twice a week. 6 times 200 gram instant coffee refills me. Nice. With stevia and a few pinches of salt. Wow. Yuki said, oh, what happened then? That was weird. Sounds like my phone vibrating every morning. That was my son. I remember this kind of music from the game Hotline Miami. Oh, yeah. I even have the melody from that game on my phone. Nice. Oh, Aeropress. Yeah, Aeropress is another one. I do like it from the bean, though. It's so strong, though. Haha, I love your accent. Thanks, dude. Neon says, not now, boy. Daddy is showing his synth tracks on YouTube. That's kind of what I said. Because he understands as well. He uses Fruity Loops. Oh, that's a bit wrong, isn't it? Yeah, that's way off, isn't it? I don't know how to control all this, though. How do I go left and right? Oh, here we go. Is it duplicate? There we go. Hang on. Oh, okay. That makes sense. That's better. I've had releases out. I'm on Discogs and run etc. Run labels, have a distribution deal, ran club nights, been on Radio 1, I'm on Extra, released an. That's awesome, dude. That was my first door. Then I tried Reason, Cubase, Logic, and then landed on Ableton and never left. Same here. I haven't tried all of them though. Distro hopping and door hopping, yeah. What did we have for this one here? Oh, if only I knew what the buttons were, I could have kicked it. I could have done the drop then, couldn't I? Oops. Try and get carried away there. Do the lyrics thing. No, I don't do the AI lyrics thing. Oh no, I don't know about that. I can't do AI after actually doing proper noise, you know. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. So how do I export that? Can I export just the loop? Can I just export that loop? File, export audio. How do I export just the loop region? There we go. Huh. I've got an idea. Do you like Apex Twins? Yeah. I don't mind AI music. Shoot me. Sorry, Mr. Scalm, don't leave. I have used it in some of my videos. Screen record and convert to. I've just saved it already. So we're going to save that, but I don't know where it saved it to. Where did it save it to? Anyone know? I'm going to run out of open. Where did it save it to? Save. Oh no, file, export. Okay. LGL Bitwig Studio. Okay, I got it. So if I do that and go into home, Bitwig Studio, is it in there? No, there must be an actual. Let me just do that. Bitwig Studio, projects, new. There. Thanks, to. I think we've lost Mr. Scalm already. Look, I was always amazed by the creativity. Well, there's no creativity in AI music. Don't make that mistake. It does not create music. It just guesses based on what it's been trained on. And it's just quite good in some cases of guessing. But it's not, there is no creativity in AI. Can't sing for shit. Melody wise, it's amazing what it can pull. Yeah, again, it's not great at that. He uploads gameplay and music created by himself. The second one was what? That's what I'm about to do now. It's just going to go to Suno. As I say, it might upset some people. Sorry. Let's bring that back to tiling hell. Go. Let me just do that for a second. Make sure I'm not gonna. Oh, where's my phone? Shit. Oh, damn it. It's all gone quiet. Hang on. Bear with. Oh, the stream's quite far behind, isn't it? If I don't keep talking, then people are going to think, oh, he's gone. So we are going to create. There we go. Well, I can do that now. Go back to starting. There we go. So if we do, where is it? I have to upload. Go to create, add voice, add audio. There we go. Browse. Upload. And we go home. Bitwig. Where's Bitwig? Bitwig. Projects. Agree to the terms. Loop. Haha, no, it's cool. Just my personal assessment. AI created art will kill create. I don't think it will, dude. In fact, I think AI will shake up music because at the moment it's the same old shit. Would you not agree? So people are going to be well, there's going to be a lot of people who don't care, right? So that's one of the big challenges. And yeah, I mean that's just the way it is. But there are going to be people out there who want real music. What's that French band called? What's that French band? That French band called? Oh, I don't know what that's done. Well, we'll have a look anyway. But yeah, I don't think for 1 minute that AI is creative. So what we want to do is I know I just am creative now in my own studio and code my own space as well. I've had enough of being on stage. Oh, right. Now, nice. You've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, got all the scars. I thought I could just, let me see what it does. Let me just see what it does based on that. Whoops, updated Niri and didn't think DNF restarts it. Oh. It says cover. Kowalski Nightcall. You can't put bands and band names in it. It gets upset. That's not what I was expecting to happen. Okay, so we're going to clear that. And then we're going to go, what is it? There was a thing that you could do. Inspo, remix, mashup, sample. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, more options. We want to delete both of those. Move to trash. Move to trash. Advanced, simple. There was like an extend thing that you could do. Dark synthwave. Where is it? Is it something down here? Report. Maybe they got rid of it. New song details. See what that does. Bro, I literally have scars from street fights. The clubs and places I was around was rough. I just go out of town now. Well, chill. Chilled in your old age. Is that what it is? See, this is quite cool for ideas. I fucking love this. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? Oh my god, sorry. It's generic AI, but yeah. You can tell it's AI. Anyone like who makes music can really tell it's AI. Damn. Was that the same one? Only thing is, yeah, you would really hear it as being AI if you were playing this in the club, wouldn't you? You'd really hear it because all of the little glitches and the little hisses, like sometimes you listen to the kick and you just get this little hiss on the kick, and you get it a lot on the vocals as well, where there's this like little tiny hiss where it's just not quite right. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this is not DJ material for sure. Turn it into a bossa nova track. All right. Did you migrate to Fedora 44 today? No, not yet. Dude, I've started building out my my install. Where is it? There it is. I started building up. This is my install currently. This is the current install. Make sure it's on the way. That's where I'm at the moment. You missed the whole show. No, you can watch it back, dude. You can watch it back. So I was messing about with the beat in Bitwig, which I've closed, and then I uploaded the beat, which is so I created this beat. So I made this in Bitwig, and then AI did its thing and came up with. This is the second one, actually, isn't it? Or was it the first one? I can't remember. Yeah, it's so random. It's all over the place. It's pretty random. So let's listen to the Bossa Nova one. Oh. The guitar sounds shit. But it does, and you can hear the hissing. See, the thing is, if you make music, it's quite easy to tell that it's AI. Because you get this little clicking and this little hissing and these little artifacts. It's just not, it's not clear enough, you know? Yeah, like there. There's so much hissing going on there. And they try and mask it with the hats. So here's the thing, right? I'm going to put some proper music back on now. Go back to our playlist. It's funny how it's the same as the previous one. Yeah, it's pretty much like that. So what I find actually quite useful is if you think about when you create a piece of music, right? The music that you create is not going to be original, right? It's going to be inspired by something else. And when you use something like Suno, I'm not going to say it's inspired by anything. It's copying other stuff. So what sometimes it can do is if you do a loop like that, and I've done this a few times before, if you do a loop like that and then feed it into AI for it to get inspiration from all these other sources that it stole music from, it can give you some ideas. Arrangement, as Mr. Scaum said, is crap. The arrangement's terrible. It's certainly not DJ friendly, and I don't think it ever will be unless you tell it to make a DJ track. But even then, if you play in a club, everything has to be mixed to mono, right? Because it's not stereo in a club, it's all mixed to mono. So it has to sound really good mono, and that's quite hard to do. To get a really good mix to sound good mono in a club is actually hard to do. So you're going to hear it so clearly that it's AI if you put something like that in a club. I play 4 instruments. I would hate myself if I used AI. I can't do it. Fair enough, dude. I mean, I'm a guitarist, I'm a bassist, I'm a drummer. And you're right, AI is not, it's pretty shit, but it can be a useful tool in some instances. You play drums too? Nice! I say I play drums badly. I play drums badly. There we go. That version. I did quite like that Fest one though. I was quite surprised by that. I play guitar and piano. Oh, I play keyboard as well. Although it didn't sound like it a minute ago, but I was using my actual typing keyboard as a keyboard. I play 0 instruments. I click in all of my melodies. Brilliant. I used to do that with Fruity Loops. That's exactly how I did Fruity Loops back in the day. Because I didn't have a MIDI keyboard or anything like that. And I didn't really use the actual typing keyboard. Oops, sorry about that bang. Yep, I spent a long time learning how to mix dance music for club systems, and that will sound good on a car and home stereo, and spent a long time learning mastering, etc. Pretty much same as you. Yeah, I never really... did I master it? Not. I won't say I mastered mastering. I struggled with it a lot. The problem that I had is I rarely ever used reference tracks, and that was my biggest drawback. So whenever I put anything through Ableton, I should use a reference track, but I never did. And I had all the tools. I had like an account with Native Instruments, which is a shame what's happened with them, right? But I can't remember the name of the pro mixing plugins. But I had the whole suite. It was freaking awesome. But I just spent too much time tweaking it and making it sound worse. I thought, oh, that sounds good. And then I'd listen to it the next day and think, oh my God, that sounds shit. What was I thinking last night? My ears must have been tired. Right, anyway, this is a Linux stream. What am I doing? Oh, I could have done it like that, look. You are multi-talented, old man. Now I feel so small. Oh, don't be so silly, Zero Linux. Please don't get an inferiority complex next to me, dude. There's much more talented people. What we got on Scratch? Oh, we got that on Scratch, have we? Oh, that's my actual... I could have done it like that. Oh wait, no, that's what you're seeing, isn't it? Right, I'm going to shut this one down though. Oh my God, the lag. I learned today Metallica was in Greece. Cried. Oh man. By that point I was being sent producers and DJs tunes to play and was playing in clubs a few times a week. So that was my reference. Yeah, I can imagine actually. Yeah, if you're doing it actually live. Using a blown set of Technic speakers. Was it 1210s? My friend had a set of 1210s. And I used to mess about on them. Right. We're going to shut this one down. We managed to do some work on it. Still not there yet. I keep I get rid of all of this and only have reboot to UEFI, shut down, log out and reboot. I'll get rid of these three. I think I'll get rid of them, but I don't need to because my config will cover this once I actually transfer the config over. Right, let's shut that down. Right, so that's shutting down the PC. Okay, so what can you guys see now? Okay. Look, that's how far behind you are. Oh, wait, hang on. There we go. There we go. We're cool. We're good. Right, I do think, unless there's anything else you want me to cover off. Any questions or anything before I go? Oh, Tom. Hey, Tom. Welcome on in. I've been on CashOS for a while learning, but think I'm ready to go Team Blue. Oh. That's... Well, I mean, to be honest, do what works for you, man. But yeah, there's quite a few Team Blues in here, actually. Got Team Green as well. Smitty's Team Green. Sorry, did I start reading that and then stop? I have some Yamaha NS10 monitors. They sound pretty good. I haven't hooked them up for a few years though. I'll miss updating every couple of hours. Velocity, so far I went and had dinner, dropped my son off at work and came back. Oh wow, cool. Welcome back. There is an extra Wi-Fi. Isn't that in here somewhere? Is it network maybe? Is it that one? Yeah, you can get rid of that one. Go into settings, bar, widgets, network, and then remove. Team Green's CachyOS. I mean, it could be Linux Mint as well. It's like Team Blue could be Arch, you know. But we've kind of commandeered Team Blue as being Fedora in this community anyway. No, it's the running applications notifications. What? I don't know what one then. Team Blue also Nix, yeah, absolutely, yeah. So you're going to pull the NVMe and transfer it into the main PC. Yes, that's the plan. It's all AMD, so I shouldn't have any issues driver wise. I've got 9060 and a Ryzen 5 in the PC that it's in now. And obviously I've got a 9070 and the Ryzen 7. So we should be good. Team Penguin, 100% Mr. Scalm, 100%. Alexander Bauer, hello, welcome in. Greetings from Germany. Switch from CachyOS, too many updates, to Fedora 43. Some problems with WoW Classic to now Pika OS. Looks good in the first 2 weeks. Nice. As I say, all distros welcome in here. I quite like that desktop. Not going to lie. Reminds me of my brother. Rip. No, Ubuntu's fine as well. I did a video on that. No hate for any distros in this channel. Oh, and there, look. Did alright actually, 6,300 views. Nothing wrong with Ubuntu. Ubuntu has a place in the world, it's just not a place in my world. I've never, yeah, I don't play well. Oh, somebody just did the hearts. I forgot about that. Thank you. Whoever's doing that, you're awesome. Don't forget to celebrate as well. Anyway. I should remind people to do that. I might have a message. I might set up a message, you know, to say, don't forget to smash the little button. Yeah, so the velocity. So my changeover day is going to be on the 30th of May, and I'll probably do a stream for that as well. Like the smash button. Yeah, like the smash button. And smash the like button. Oh, how are we doing for the likes, actually? Have we reached our target yet? Oh, no, come on. How many have we got? 19. We need more likes. Falgus, but had some lags and was not as smooth as Cashy. I have a 2 monitor setup. Oh, okay. Oops, I keep hitting the microphone. Sorry about that. It must sound really weird when I do that. I don't know what chat rate means. I'm guessing that's what does that mean? The chat rate of the Steam most recently available time. View active. What's view activity then? Oh wow, I didn't know that was there. Zero Linux, thank you so much for the RSD 100. Yuki, thank you so much for the €5. I will indeed grab a coffee with it. And Moldy Mole, thank you so much for the tenner, dude. I didn't realise that was there. Steam Health. Yeah, that's just bullshit. Analytics. So it looks like people can put up with me for about 12 minutes. So I don't mind that. I don't mind that. I'll take that. Oh, chat rate's gone up. Spam the chat. Let's see if we can get that up to 10 or something. It's weird how it does this bit. Oh, this is the viewers. I mean, that's quite... Thank you, everyone. Like, we started off strong, and it started to weaken off a bit, and then... 34-inch widescreen, 15-inch FHD, 135% scaling. As long as I use one monitor, all distros work fine. Not so much with two. The different scaling. Yeah, I use two monitors, but I don't use any scaling. So if I do that, so that's my current setup. So I've got this monitor here, and then that's my vertical monitor over there. Just do that. Oops. I'm at 12:10 TikTok. 12:10? I put up with you around 3 hours or so. Unless it's Mother's Day and you get your priorities right. Yeah, we don't do hate in this channel. Jensen, when I was playing on CashOS yesterday and running the stream in the background, video was fine, but Mozilla was lagging as fuck. I do run a 7950, 65 gig of RAM and RTX. I was playing Windrose. What was your stats saying? So let's go back to the other window. Mrs. Gamseen, as Ubuntu runs approximately 20% of all servers, looked it up. There is no hate for it. Yeah, I mean, people hate the corporate aspect of these sorts of things and the fact that they're making decisions that people don't want. Things like forcing Snap on people, and so I understand why people are not fans of it, and I'm certainly not a fan of it. But as I say, it does have a place in the world. And I like Debian a lot. I think if I'd landed on Debian or Debian-based distro early on, I probably would still be on it. Slimy Mucus, hello, welcome on in, good to see you. Would you say Cosmic is ready for everyday use or stick with GNOME for the time being? I don't know, I haven't tried it for a while. When I tried it, it was fine. It was just that people were expecting it to do things that hadn't been built into it and then saying it was buggy as shit. But when I tried it out, it was fine. And I think for somebody coming over from Windows early on, it was fine. But I do understand that there were some issues with scaling and things like that. But again, I don't use scaling, so I didn't really see it as an issue. I think if I had a 4K monitor and would need scaling, then I might have some issues with it. Stick with what works, dude. Spin up a VM. Try different desktop environments. That's what I did. That's why I'm now on what I'm on, which I haven't shared with you for a while, so I'll do that now. In fact, what we'll do is we'll do that, stick that there, like that. I love how fast it's just to spin up a Ubuntu system, and it generally just works, yeah. Especially now it's on 7. I showed my mum you telling me to hug her, she said bless his heart. Aw, bless her heart. Today was a really good day. Awesome. That's really good to hear, dude. I wouldn't say Fedora is less user friendly. Well, I don't know. It depends what you're doing with it. If you're gaming and stuff like that, you have to take extra steps to get it gaming, which is why I built the app that I built, which I'll shamelessly plug. Oh, did you see my new icons? I made some new icons for my apps. Yeah, so I've got my DNF helper, my SCX scheduler, and my system loadout. Oh, that is sick, isn't it? That is sick. I do like that. What makes me laugh, mate, is Red Hat is owned by IBM and the US military massively uses Red Hat, and that's what Fedora is based on. I've heard Fedora's users spelt hate. Lol, not you. Yeah, no. And do you know what's even funnier, Mr. Scalm? Right, is pretty much everybody who's in this chat right now is probably using Linux. Let me know in the chat if you're not, right? And you're using Linux, which is run by a non-profit organization called the Linux Foundation, which is where Linus Torvalds works for. And that's sponsored by Microsoft and Google. They get the majority of their money from Microsoft and Google. Yeah, there you go, Yuki. Exactly that. So when I see people say, oh yeah, Fedora, it's too corporate, it's like, fuck off. Ah, Emmy's on a TX100 calculator. Cool. What's the stream like on that? What's the bit rate? You're on CashOS with GNOME. Yeah, stick with that, dude. I mean, I used KDE for pretty much a year. And I was chatting with the Black Don in Discord, and he was showing me, at the time he was using Niri and Noctalia. I spun it up in a VM, started messing around with it, started to see the power of it. I was lured to the dark side, and I'm now probably, I'm not going to say never, but I'm probably never going back to KDE. And I certainly won't be going to GNOME. And if I was to go back to a desktop environment, it would probably be Cinnamon. Yeah, the icons turned out all right, didn't they? I made them as well, by the way. They weren't AI. Mrs. Gam, there's a new Unix kernel that will be available on Arch soon. It's been in the dev for 30 years. On my phone. Hey, Tim. How you doing? Good day, mate. Welcome on in. I'm almost done. What time is it there? I think that's why I've been missing you, isn't it? Because it's like you had a couple of early mornings. And it's probably, what, 6 o'clock there now? Have KDE not done some slimming in the last year, or did I hear wrong? Sorry, Jensen, I don't quite get that. Not have KDE not done some slimming up in the last year, or did I hear wrong? So I was on KDE, and I spent a year on KDE, and now I still have KDE installed, but I'm using a window manager and a desktop shell. Somebody says, I think KDE is more my style. If I had a lot of work to do on my PC, that was my job, I'd probably use Niri or Noc setup. Nice. Yeah, but KDE is great. Brian says, Battlefield 6 is big for me. Sadly, I moved back to Windows 11. No worries. Yeah, games usually dictate where you end up, operating system wise. Eric Drummond in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. How are you doing, bro? I have to reinstall my entire Bluetooth Cinnamon system because I was trying to install a version of Android on my PC to daily drive and it didn't work out. Oh. Well, as long as you've learned something from that, you know. Jensen, it's less heavy now than a year ago. So KDE, I don't know, to be honest, because the whole system's just built up over the year, which is why I'm doing the project to rebuild it. And I know I'm getting a little bit hung up, like a lot of people, on the number of packages. But the only reason I'm focusing in on that is because I want to make sure I understand what every package is. So I'm not too worried if it does get to 3,000 packages, as long as I know what all of those 3,000 packages are, which is why I built my app, to help me to understand that. But I'm going to try and keep it as low as possible. And what I worked out is KDE, when you install KDE Desktop, which I don't think is the full package, you get 733 packages. And in fact, that was on the on here. So we have a look at that, and then go. See that? Oh, and go. Make that a little bit bigger. So just installing KDE Desktop took this distro from under 1,000 to 1705. So if I go and do remove, I have started that. Hang on, I've got a German phone. Voila, Vola. It's got Ubuntu mobile. Oh, nice. KDE's got a mobile version as well. Eric says, "Have you started the full rebuild yet?" Yes, I have. I started it today. I've just shut it down now. I'm still going through all of the packages, trying to get rid of stuff that I've accidentally installed already. Tom says, does KDE or other things like Cosmic affect game launches and performance? I can't say that it does. I had no problems with KDE. All I can say is Niri and Noctalia has felt a lot lighter and fluffier. That's how I describe Niri and Noctalia, as light and fluffy. But I can't say for certain that it's improved performance. It kind of felt like it did, but I don't know if that was a placebo effect or not. 7:45 AM. Okay, you're late, dude. What the hell? Somebody says, but all I do on my PC is game and surf the web. Yeah, so, I was gonna say same here, but I do a little bit more. I stream, make videos. Jensen's, yeah, I'm not there yet. No clue what most does. Yeah, no, that's it. You just have to explore and just work through and work out what happens. Oh, my son's home. Eric says, bro, I mean, as long as you're using everything that you keep on the system, then the overall package count doesn't really matter because you're using everything that's there. Yeah, absolutely. And that's the problem I've had over the last year, is that there's a lot of stuff there that I just use once. Somebody still gets confused on why people with good systems, 32 gig or more RAM, and 6 core, say some distros are resource heavy. They want to squeeze every little bit out of it, dude. Hold on, I've got a really important thing to do. Sorry about that. Son just got home. Had to give him a hug. Priorities and, you know. Mr. Scam says, I really want a Spanish startup to release their Linux mobile. It's got a custom Debian based. It'll have Plasma mobile. The phone is 100% upgradable like Pete. Oh, wow, that's cool. Yuki says, I develop a lot because developing 8 hours a day at work isn't enough. Still using my Mac for... Alexandra says, still using my Mac for photo editing. Same here, dude. Wait, hang on. That's supposed to be Mac. Why are you on there? Go away. Oh yeah, I set this up today. So if I'm on my main page, which is empty right now for some reason, I'll go to gaming, Steam, go to content. That's all my content creating stuff. Well, I can get rid of that for a minute. I can go to Mac. But if I'm on my main and then I click on Parsec, it opens my Mac on the Mac page. Very cool. Yeah, I do my photo editing on here as well. What I should do really is I should just do this, shouldn't I? 1, 2, 3. Just have all of my apps open. I need to set that up. Oh no, that one I need to set up differently. So we're just going to release it from tiling how. And then we'll just move over here. Hang on, we'll put that there and we'll just do that. We'll just do that. And then we'll grab that one and we're going to make that a little bit smaller. We're going to make that one a little bit smaller. Going to put that one there, put that one there. Just going to put that one there. We're going to move it up. Move that one up. Move that one up. Like so. See, this is why I think I like this. Because I still get to move shit around. Huh. We'll do that one. That's fine. Tim says, taking kids to school. No worries, dude. I'll catch you later. Then I'll be finished before you get back, I would imagine. Still using Mac for... Yeah, me too. My wife. Smitty, she puts in 12 hours a day. Taking the kids to school. Smitty, enjoy what you're seeing. We love Niri. Yeah, Niri's nice. Niri is nice. Although it's not... Obviously, Niri's doing the Windows stuff. I mean... It's just like... It's just... I can't break it. I don't think I should say this. But I can't break it. I've not been able to break it yet. KDE I can break quite easily. Okay, I'm just like... Wait. Sorry. Find the right colour. Yeah. Oh, I don't mind that one. That's quite nice. I love the X-ray thing. That's so cool. So I've got to go CD LGL-YT, and then I wanted to find out what was going wrong with this app. App PY. Oh, hang on. YTHON. Is there a help for it? Did I make a help for it? I can't remember how to refresh my thingy. Right, okay. Things are quieting down now, aren't they? Still a few of you here. Still quite a few of you here. It's gone very quiet though. Look, chat rate's gone to 0. Is that a sign? Or has the stream naturally come to an end? Or is everyone really behind and the chat's just going to go whoosh and I'm suddenly going to see a load of messages come through? Maybe I've been figuring out my Nix configs on the Fedora. Winding down here. I think it is, isn't it? You think it's time? I think it's time. I've got work tomorrow. In fact, I've got an early start tomorrow. Or an earlier start. Midnight, bedtime. Cool. Right. Yeah, I think we're there, aren't we? Tim says still trying to get my 2 vid cards to game on Linux, but it's not playing well. I'm sure it's trying to iGPU the games instead of the 70s, 9070. Are you on a laptop then, I guess? Yeah, I've read a lot of people having trouble with that. Is there a complete setup guide on your channel for your system? Is there a complete setup guide? I wouldn't say it's kind of one. I would say if you're going to look at one of them, and this would be for Fedora, obviously. I don't know if that one will do it. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you have been dude, Tim, thank you.
I can't believe this.
That's going to do that 5 times now. Emmy managed to get one. Look at that. Huey Chief, no idea who that is. Savage Oz, no idea who that is. Scott Bennett, no idea who that is. Squizzle McTiggles. Squizzle McTiggles. Oh my god, that's so funny. I don't know any of them, but Emmy managed to get one. Look at that. Thanks, Tim. Appreciate you, dude. Just some fireworks and some applause. Would I say it's a full setup? So what you need to do is go to Firefox and then in here. Right, so this assumes that you've set up Fedora first and foremost. So that might work for you, but it's mainly showing off my app. The no terminal piece. I'm trying to move that window. That's funny. You can see this now on 6. One of them. Yeah, that might work for you. I'll pop it in the chat for you. Have a look at it first though. But it assumes that you've installed... What the hell? It assumes you've installed Fedora first. Yeah, dude. Thank you so much, Tim. I really do appreciate that, dude. What a way to finish the evening. What's that mean? Why has it got like a little line there? Oh, hang on, you can't... can you see that? So, it's done the top chat again, isn't it? Huey! Oh no, hang on. I was about to say, Huey, welcome on in, but yeah, okay. I thought... Oh, my back. My back. Can you hear me? Oh, it looks like I am. I hear you. Okay, cool. Yeah, just this. I just lost connection on OBS and it just come back again. Thanks, Jensen. Oh dear. Tim, again, thanks, dude. Have a great day yourself. Oh, hello. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Yes, tonight what we're going to be doing is going to bed. That's what we're going to be doing. Right, let's hit that button. Oh, let's do this one first. Wait. In case you haven't seen this one. Oh, look at that.
ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も隠し登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。
Very hypnotic.